So far in this playlist, we have used our graphics calculator to find the vertex of a parabola and the solutions of a quadratic equation, which are the roots of our parabola. But did you know that you can also use your calculator to solve quadratic inequalities? For example, the solution of x squared minus 6x plus 5 less than 0 coincides with the area below 0. But what do we mean by that? Take your graphics calculator and go to menu Graph. Start typing the quadratic term, taking care of using the correct key for the variable x, and the same for the linear term. Press F6 to draw the parabola. It crosses the x-axis at 1 and 5, which are the solutions of the quadratic equation. But we are solving a quadratic inequation. Here is where your calculator comes handy. Add the inequality sign after the quadratic expression and draw the graph again. Any values of x between 1 and 5 are part of the solution because our parabola goes below for values between the roots 1 and 5. We write it like this. If the quadratic had the other way around sign, more than 0, the solutions would be the values of x smaller than 1 or bigger than 5. Both are part of the solution of your quadratic inequation. If you want to watch more videos on quadratics, visit the playlist. And until next week, happy learning! If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates.